Alec, I cannot see your face. Come on, vacuum all the trash. This, okay, see, I see a little piece over there.
What?
Right there where your hand is.
What?
Where your hand is.
A hand is?
Yes, right there. Front, all the way straight.
What?
Hi.
Where?
Vacuum. There.
No. There's no photo.
Okay, that's it.
That's it? Okay.
Yes. Wait. Look at mommy, right this way, look.
Please.
I see it right there where your elbow is.
What?
Your elbow, see?
Okay.
Vacuum it. Thank you. How about this way? Look where the flashlight is. See where the flashlight is?
Yeah.
Need to vacuum that way.
Vacuum.
No, in the middle.
Okay.